Oh. Small on this model is just right about there. I'm going to super, so I'm guessing super is probably right about in here somewhere. I'm hoping it's right in here somewhere. So far it was working on small, so I'm going to super to see what it does on super. But this was the original line on the unit. I just cleaned it out and cleaned it out on this part too. It's kind of dirty, and then put a new one on it. Tried it on small. It worked on small load. It's right about here. Probably the medium load or large load is probably somewhere in here. I'm going up to super, so I'm guessing it's probably right about in here somewhere. That's what I'm guessing at, but I'm not really quite sure on this model yet. I'm making sure it's not hitting the bottom. And there's still water down here too. Because if the bottoms on these models, if the bottom gets a little bent up, then they start hitting this piece down here. These little pieces down there and making a mess, and then you have to come in here and start bending it back down to where it won't hit it no more. You still see the water running in there. Should be getting to a certain point to stop. That's what I'm hoping anyway. So how often does she use it on super? Probably need to replace shocks too sooner or later, probably. I have to talk to the landlord about that. Why, is that what the teacher said?
She said it can be a gas cramp. I was real fine, but we need to make sure there's nothing.
Yeah, it's right about there too. Okay, that is where the super stops at right there. That's what I was thinking it was, right about there. So, and now it's working. Nothing coming out. Nothing draining. Like no water spilling out. Not making no noise. So we got this one fixed and out of the way now. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Subscribe to it. And everyone have a good day.